Welcome to SaritzArtRoom, and here we are doing new planter decoration with new innovative creative ideas today. So let's go ahead to start with our own creation. We need one glass vent. It's red. Then we need some kundan or Decor and acrylic colors. And here is our planter. So let's start. I'm using pearl gold acrylic color, this one, and making flowers with the help of this one. I'm starting with this golden color. I'm adding golden color border to flowers. Glass color into all the petals and stone at the center. So now we will put this transparent glass color. So our planter is ready. Here you can see Meenakari effect due to transparent glass colors used. So try this. Meenakari designs you will generally see in green and red color, white stone and golden border around it. So try to use same combination. So friend, here is our planter is ready. For second design we are using same material and we'll create a different brick style design which we will paint in a Meenakari look. Draw outline using golden pearl color. After that start adding green and glass red paint.